River Lady here, and this is the first video that I'll be doing in my series on getting your flowering trees and shrubs ready for the winter season in zones 3, 4, 5, and 6. The first thing I want to say is put away your pruning shears, loppers, hacksaws, or whatever, because we're not going to do any pruning in the autumn months for these zones. Let's take a look at this rhododendron. As you can see, I'm pointing to the buds the plant has set for next spring. We don't want to trim this bush. Even if you want to get in and start cutting off these old seed heads, you should have done that long before now, because if you take off these buds, you're not going to get any blooming next year. Now let's take a look at a lilac bush. And I hope you can see I'm showing you the buds the bush has set for next spring, 2019 in this case, this being October 2018. If you go ahead and start pruning this bush, these are the dead seed heads from this past season. If you start pruning this bush, you're going to remove your flowering possibilities for the following spring. No pruning in the autumn season. Let's look at a pussy willow bush. As you can see, the buds are set for next spring. Now, if you have to prune your bush to remove dead or diseased branches, go right ahead. But don't go in and start cleaning up the bush to make it look nice through the winter months, because you'll reduce the number of blossoms you'll have in the springtime. Rule of thumb, no pruning in the autumn. Here's a hydrangea. This is a mophead, macrophylla, and as you can see, it has set its buds for next spring. Now, macrophylla blooms on new and old wood. So yes, I could cut this bush back, but I would remove all these buds. And if I just wanted it to grow on the new wood, great. But I'm going to reduce the number of blossoms that I could have had come springtime. And I'll talk more about hydrangeas in their specific video. That's it for pruning your flowering trees and shrubs. And I hope you'll follow my videos, post comments, and subscribe to my channel. And I wish you a happy autumn and happy gardening.